Pag-unlad sa bayan ng Fernando, ako po ay sumasaludo sa inyo pong pagkakaisa sa gabing ito. Sa inyo lahat po, maraming salamat sa ipinakita niyo pong pagmamahal sa bawat isa, lalo na po sa ama ng ating bayan. Sa inyo lahat po, God bless! Ingat po kayo. Abangan niyo po, laban ni Pacquiao. April 20, sisingit ko na. April 20 po, ang laban namin sa Thailand. WBC Legend. May bagong flag bearer kami. Taga-bit-bit ng flag, may bago na. Ang inyong mayor, nag-usap na kami. Pataymiin lang namin. Kung ano yung schedule niya, kung pwede siya, punta siya. Pero pag hindi pwede, wag. Ganun lang po. So sa inyong lahat po, maraming salamat po. At magandang gabi po. God bless.
Thank you, Sir Buboy. Tawa na po rin makusog na upakan sa tuyang bisita, si Sir Buboy.
Thank you so much po, Coach Buboy Fernandez. Nakakisita po sa amin dito sa bayan ng San Fernando. Thank you so much po.
Isunod ka na po.
And to proceed with our program to give the 5-minute speech to our punong barangay.
Mr. Jobber Lumama.
A round of applause to the former punong barangay of Barangay Bukal, Mr. Jobber B. Lumaba.
Former Punong Barangay from Barangay Bicol, Mr. Daniel J. Marco.
A round of applause to the former punong barangay of Barangay Bicol, Mr. Daniel J. Marco.
Former Punong Barangay from Barangay Biberon, Mr. Ernesto S. Pajo.
A round of applause to the former punong barangay of Barangay Biberon, Mr. Ernesto S. Pajo.
Former Punong Barangay from Barangay Kutmo, Mr. Daniel C. Posto.
If there's an representative po, yan, ako din si punong barangay Rochelle to claim the award for her father, Mr. Dante C. Posto.
Dating Punong Barangay, ang Barangay Alianza, Mr. Elenito A. Aponte.
Okay. A round of applause to our former punong barangay of San Fernando. Ayan. Group picture po after ni Mr. Edelito Aborte, our former punong barangay of Barangay Alianza. Okay po, group picture po. Ayan. Yan, tinawan ka pong otra sa tuyo pong mga former SK chairpersons as in former punong barangay sa ito pong servisyo po 2018 to 2023. Makasumlapak po para sa inyo. As in yung lakang po sa tuyo pong mga newly elected punong barangay. And for the awarding for outstanding barangay Buklaton, kayo mo na po maghali Vice Mayor and Sir Nilo. For the awarding for outstanding barangay Buklaton, Tech for Ed Community Reading Center, outstanding science or reading teacher, and SOR reading ambassador. For the citation, sir.
Republic of the Philippines, Region 5, Province of Paraíso, Municipality of San Fernando. Certificate of Commendation is hereby given for establishing Buklaton Tech for and Community Reading Center in all zones of Barangay, San Fernando, Camarines Sur with trained community reading volunteers on the science of reading. Given the stated date of January 2024 at the LGU San Fernando Municipal Protocol. Signed by our Municipal Mayor of San Fernando, Honorable Ferdinand M. Mabu. Is hereby the certificate of commendation
Is awarded to Honorable Arlene Caloma.
of Barangay Plaza.
And may we invite the Council of Barangay Plaza to be here in front.
Kaibanan po ang mga ibang local barangay official.
Sige
Siya
po.
po, ako kiniyan sa ito award.
Another award for Barangay Plaza to Honorable Annalisa B. Amorde, Barangay Kagawad of Plaza.
Teacher Piling Plaza Elementary School, Vocal Person, Barangay Plaza, Boclaton, and Project.
And last, Maria Corazon Obina, focal person, Alianza. After the plaza, we have from Barangay Alianza, Maria Corazon Obina.
The Vocal Person of Alianza, Boclaton, and Project.
Teacher, please. Maria Corazon Obina, yan po. Okay. Next award, Republic of the Philippines Region 5, Province of Camarines, Municipality of San Fernando. Certificate of commendation is hereby given to for his innovative leadership, goodwill, and continued support for the various education projects, most especially the arts and Bukatan F4N project of the Municipality of San Fernando, Province of Camarines Sur, given this 13th day of January 2024 at the LDU San Fernando Municipal Covered Court site, Municipal Mayor of San Fernando, Honorable Fermin M. Apollo. Certificate of commendation is hereby given to Mr. Nino A. Lopez.
Lopez.
Another award,
Another award. Citation. Association of Film Teachers of America, Incorporated, and AFTA Philippines Chapter Incorporated. The certificate of commendation is hereby awarded to for his exemplary and innovative leadership, generosity and goodwill that facilitated the promotion and adoption of the science of reading by the teachers, community leaders, volunteers, and the benefactors at the municipality of San Fernando, province of Camarines, Philippines. Given on the 2nd day of January 2024 at San Fernando, Camarines, signed by the AFTA President, Lena O. Vigaria, the President of AFTA PCI, Ernest D. Bonilla.
certificate of commendation is hereby awarded to Honorable Fermin M. Apollo, Municipal Mayor of San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Okay, group picture once again. And now we will be proceeding to the awarding of Outstanding Barangay for Collection Efficiency. So ini po, si collection po ini ng 2023. So i-invite na po si dati po punong barangay or si re-elected punong barangay with the treasurer. Ano po, may I invite our municipal treasurer, Ma'am Saira Barria, to award, and Mayor Fermin, Vice Bona, and Sir Nilo.
Basahan ko po ang citation for the with highest percentage of
Registered business.
yeah. So LGU San Fernando, province of Camarines Sur, present this lack of commendation to for delegated efforts and effective strategies of the barangay officials resulting to being ranked with highest percentage of duly registered business as of December 31, 2023 among all the barangays of the municipality and attaining a rating of 57.69% out of 26 businesses given this 13th day of January 2024 at San Fernando, Camarines Sur. Signed by our municipal treasurer, Ms. Saira E. Barria, signed by our municipal mayor, Fermin M. Magulo.
Okay, for our top 5 Sisagyan Barangay, okay, we have for the collection efficiency for business tax collection, we have top 5 barangay, top Pukol. May I invite Honorable Efren Huerto and this barangay treasurer. Nasin po si Kap Efren Huerto and the treasurer po of barangay Tagpukol.
Si Pangiliwang po ka,
Treasurer.
as a treasurer.
Treasurer pa po. Okay. Once again, a round of applause to our top 5 barangay Tagpukol.
rating of 58.33 out of 84 businesses. Our top 4 barangay is no other than Barangay Biberon.
May I call in and 2023 so the former Punong Barangay and the treasurer will receive this award.
For the top 3, attaining a rating of 59.09% out of 22 businesses. Our top 3
Is no other than Barangay.
Rizal!
Barangay Rizal headed by our Punong Barangay, Cesar Hufran.
Kahit may sagabos, mabuhay ang San Fernando and happy Barangay and Municipal Night in Texas. Thank you very much po.
And thank you so much to our Municipal Councilor, Lali Mateo, for that good mark.
Closing remarks mo yan, kasarayo.
Ayan.
Thank you. Mula po bukas na ang satuyang kaluwang parte, ang Baraylihan.
Yes.
Dance, dance, dance.